Smoothest, seals hair and repairs split ends. Leaves hair looking healthy. No need to rinse out. Formulated with keratin, which is known to reduce frizz and improve manageability. Head by Tigi. For everyone, WHO loves to experiment. Fearless, anything goes self-expression. An innovative range, created by hairdressers, to deliver endless creative possibilities. We've got your back with a full range of high-performance shampoos, conditioners, styling and treatment products that cover all of your hair needs, whether you're looking for all-out repair, electrifying your color or looking to pump up the volume. Head is dedicated to bringing you the best in styling with breakthrough technology in innovative formats. Powerful formulas that are designed to mix and cocktail, along with provocative shapes and totally addictive fragrances. We're the true owners of creative styling anarchy. Stand out. Don't fit in. Directions. As a split-end mender, apply to ends. As a leave-in conditioner, smooth over, fly away as needed. Use on wet or dry hair. Legal disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, cure, mitigate, treat, or prevent any disease. Top reviews from the United States. Great for long curly hair. My whole family use this product.